Yes, so hi, Richard.
Hi, Nina. Good to see you.
You too. So I've asked to have this little chat with you about our upcoming retreat in the Basque Country in August.
Yeah.
And so I just wanted to ask you a few questions about it and see, to let people know what we're up to.
Okay.
So the retreat will be be for 5 days, and it will start the 4th of August this year. And uh, and so what is your take on it? What are you planning to kind of bring out or not planning to bring out? Because it seems like it will be a pretty improvised thing.
It's a funny thing about improvisation because, there's a kind of a alchemy that takes place when people turn up. And so it is not a teaching course. It's not like people come and a lot of knowledge is put out in a structured and specific way. It's more a personal intensive. So I love doing readings and I've done a lot of different courses, but this is something new and a new experiment to try where we'll be centering around each person. So everyone will get a certain session and I want them to bring whatever is in the way, whatever dilemmas or issues or problems or whatever it is, and look at it through the lens of human design, but also to find ways through that. Because often people get into human design, they get locked into, well, I've got to follow my strategy and authority, but I don't, and I do, and I don't, and I do. And certain things can get stuck, heavy conditioning or conditioning that they're not aware of can get in the way. So it's about pinpointing that. So a transformative time. And yes, as you say, improvisation, because each one will be different. While the other participants are taking in what's going on, I will be talking obviously mechanics at certain points, but not in an explanatory way. So I need to have people that already know about human design, at least have done up to and including the rave cartography, because it's not going to be that kind of workshop. It's going to be the weaving together of the magic in the moment with whatever is going on to move beyond wherever they are if there's a problem. So in that sense, each one will be different. And yeah, it'll be intense and it will be personal. And I expect a lot of breakthroughs. So yeah, that's the kind of format I'm thinking about. Something new, and we see what happens.
Yeah, so you say kind of when you say up to, so the people that this should be interesting for are people that have experimented with design for a few years and have been able to validate already the knowledge for themselves. I mean,
Yeah,
it's not a point to prove anything. It's a point to, okay, what can we see through this lens? And yeah.
Ex- exactly that. So there will be, I'll be weaving together probably from different levels. They don't have to know all the different levels, but they do need to have the foundational knowledge so they can understand or perceive where linkages are taking place. So it's going to help anyone who is working with human design to be able to see the potential in the knowledge that they've got that they maybe haven't seen in that way through the interaction that takes place.
Yeah, I mean, I know you from many years, and I know that your knowledge of human design is so deep that in that sense that you'll see stuff in lines and designs that maybe very few people can see because you've just been exploring this for such a long time. So in that sense, if that should be the interest also for the person that shows up, is to really dive in depth into something.
Yeah, and to see the magic of it, the fun of it, the irony in it, the humor in it as well. So yeah, I bring my experience, and as you know, I've been in human design for a very long time. I work directly with Ra and in the human design films that I've done, and have trained professional analysts for a long time and done many different courses. But I've never tried this before. So it's going to be interesting to see what comes out. And yeah, they'll all learn something. Everyone will learn a lot of things and think in ways they've never thought before, because none of us know exactly the way that we're going to get through whatever it is that arises. And that's what I love, in the moment, application of human design, and you'll see the response from the participant in question. I mean,
yeah, I loved also, we were chatting about this earlier, and I love what you said, that sometimes, someone else can actually, through their mechanics, provide for solution for
yes,
another person. So the
yes,
idea is really to also work with that, and then the format of the workshop would be to kind of individually look at at people's charts. That's why we've limited the group size to 15, so that everyone will have enough time during the 5 days to kind of go through their chart, and with you, and maybe with input also from the group. Who knows? I mean, depends on
yeah.
what shows up.
It depends on what shows up, but I will know the charts of everyone in the group, and there may well be times when there will be interaction within the group for a particular person, depending on what is needed. So yes, there will be some of that as well. And I've spent, as you know, I spent a long time looking at behavior. It's the only thing I don't have in integration. So it's one of those things for me to have learned in this life. And I've created something, or understood something I call the performance of the pattern. So the body language and how the energy works with people, I'm sure will come up a number of times as we go through this, which I think is uncommon knowledge in human design.
Yeah, and then, I mean, also we programmed this in August to kind of also in some ways say, hey, let's have fun with this. This is summertime. Have a nice holiday with something inspiring to plot about. So this is kind of also like we're not taking ourselves too seriously, neither here or there.
Right? That's
and
right.
and that the idea is really to also meet other people that are involved in this knowledge, and be able to share, and eat well, and have a dip in the swimming pool, and enjoy the gardens, and the magical Basque Country nature. And so I mean, that's also kind of part of it. But yeah, just to clarify that each day would kind of be going through individual charts, and that's the kind of the crux of the way the thing will be structured. But then we don't know exactly what will happen with that, what the problems that people will bring up in others.
Exactly.
All of that is unknown. So it's like this retreat will be as good as the people that show up for it, and expose whatever is going on, and that's what's going to create the content in some ways. So
Well, to be honest with you, if they're just there, I'll find a way. Even if so, I'm going to be on it, even if they're not. So yeah, I'm not too not too
well,
worried.
but it's better to be present for it now when it happens, rather than, I don't
Yeah,
know, be
yeah,
thinking about your shopping list.
yeah,
So
exactly, exactly. If someone says, "How many problems do you want, Richard?" I've got a whole thing here, and I go, "Well, we'll have to sort that out straight away." So yeah, we don't know. It's a new format. It will be fun. You've got the perfect setting for it. It's very comfortable. It's very beautiful. It's in nature. the spirit of the people is good. And you're right, it's in August. The sun hopefully will be out, and we can all have a good time as well. Yeah.
Yep. But anyways, I'm looking forward to it. I'm really looking forward to it. I'm looking forward to seeing you again, because it's been a few years that our physical paths haven't crossed. That I'm really excited about this one and trying out something completely new.
Yes.
Which is what we tend to do every time we see each other.
Yes.
So.
No, I'm looking forward to seeing you again as well. And we have a certain deep respect for the core knowledge, and at the same time, the latitude to laugh through it, to move through it without abandoning it, to have fun with it. And there's a lot of fun to be had. It's such a beautiful knowledge. It's such an incredible tool. And you can have it's like any tools. If you use it well, then more comes out. And so I'm looking forward to the spontaneity of it, and I'm looking forward to seeing what comes. It's going to be good. It'll be an adventure if you look at it as an adventure. But yeah, so it's not going to be for everyone, but it's going to be for those who are up for it.
Yep. That's it. So anyways, the details are going to be in the comments, and you can contact me too if you're interested in this little adventure together with Richard. And I can just guarantee from my side that you will eat well.
Yes, the food is incredible. The food is incredible. Yeah. A beautiful place with master chefs. I mean, what more could you want? Yeah. Yeah, it will be memorable, that I'm sure.
Me too.
Yeah.
All right, but well, I'll see you in August.
Okay.
And we'll keep at it until then.
Okay, very good. See you then. And I welcome people who are up for the adventure.